Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. And on our previous video, we checked the heart rate monitoring with the Redmi Watch 5 Active smartwatch. On this video, we are going to check again the heart rate monitoring, but we'll compare the results here with our fingerprint pulse oximeter. So we do have here the blood oxygen monitoring as well as the heart rate monitoring. So we will have a simultaneous checking or monitoring of our heart rate and blood oxygen with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and of course our fingerprint or fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, so if you are interested to see the results of the heart rate monitoring versus the fingertip pulse oximeter and heart rate monitoring, watch this video, and of course like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and check our heart rate here with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. On our previous video, as you can see, if you watch our previous video, the result is somewhat similar or the same with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Let's see if they have the same results here with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So we have here our heart rate. So let's check. So it's now checking. 81. Let's see with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. 79, 77 here, 79, the same. 82. So it is a bit slow here for our pulse oximeter, but still it almost have the same results. As you can see here, 73, 76. So when this results increases here on our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, the results also here in our pulse oximeter also increases or decreases also when our Watch 5 Lite decreases. 79, 82. So just a minor difference here when it comes to the results, as you can see. So 89, we do have here 86. 86 the same, 83, 84, 86. So just a minor difference when it comes to the results here. Okay, so we do have a very good sensor here, I think, for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. 98% for our blood oxygen. 84. Okay, we'll avoid any unnecessary movements, so we can have a very good results here. So 81, 84. So 81 the same, 82, 79, 80, 82, 83, 83 the same, 84 the same. Okay, so I guess we do have a very good heart rate monitoring. Let's go with our blood oxygen monitoring. So still 98 here. Again, let's wait. 98%, 95 here. 96 and 97 here, as you can see. Okay, so just see 1% difference when it comes to the results. So still 97. So let's wait. And 97 results. (96) and 97. I guess we do have the same results, okay, with our previous SpO2 monitoring. 97 and 96. So just see 1% difference with our fingertip pulse oximeter. For the heart rate, they almost have the same results. Okay, just see minor difference. +2, -2, I think, or +3, -3 when it comes to the actual results of our Redmi Watch 5 Lite heart rate monitoring. So that's it for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite health monitoring, particularly the heart rate and the blood oxygen. If you have any questions regarding the demo, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!